I went outside in the rain and found that Peppermint, who doesn't really ever go in the rain, had decided there was something in the mud, in the rainy mud outside the back of the house in the yard. And she threw caution to the wind and jumped right in to dig around in this huge muddy puddle. My goodness. There is just so much water and mud back there, and she is going to town. She just went to get her hair done and is usually clean and coiffed and beautiful looking. And this is how she is when she is deciding that nothing is going to stop her from getting whatever's at the bottom of her hole.